when you wake up from a nap and the kids destroy the house.
Run.
Ah! Just pull your hair out like me. Watch us on YouTube, Moody Family. Hi, today I'm gonna clean the house. We're gonna start off with the living room. I might break it down in different videos so that you can see how I clean with having all my kids at home and my husband is not here. So Moody Family, it's my first cleaning video, so I don't really know how I'm supposed to do this whole thing, but I'm gonna have it sort of like that. There we go. And you can see me cleaning somewhat. So I'm gonna start with the toys over here. We got two of the same toys because we have a lot of boys, so we kept the toys. And we're gonna put it over here. Just in a pile, because they mess with these toys every day. So yeah, pick up the clothes. I don't know, I have a water bottle. Look, he's coming over here to mess with it already. And then all this little extra stuff. Pick it up. Pick it up. No, Dwayne. No. All this stuff. Gotta go. Stop, Dwayne. So I went over there and picked this stuff up. This bag, these clothes. I believe it's clean, but they were on the floor because the boys like to mess with stuff. So let me come back so you can see. Now I'm gonna go over to this side. There you go. There's Dwayne. This is a little box for his shoes. There's a Lunchable in here. The kids are not even supposed to eat in here. More trash. Toys. Toys. One over here. Pick up the blanket. Stop, Dwayne. Dwayne is throwing stuff on the floor, off the couch. We just went shopping. And look, he's on the blanket. Okay, you know what? Y'all both be in bed. And so, these toys are going back in the toy spot. Over here. And then I'm going to pick up these clothes off the floor. His shoe. Stop, Dwayne. No. Stop, Daniel, for real. Damn. He just fell. No. Y'all so bad. This is why this room look like this, because I'll always messing things up. And he just fell back. Damn, please stop, for real. That's not funny. I'm gonna vacuum in a second. So see, this is how it's only been 3 minutes. And the living room is gonna look much better, even though they're being very bad right now. Especially Daniel because he's older. So, let me go get the vacuum. And let me go get the vacuum. I'll be right back. Here, how's this doing? See, your boy is messing with the vacuum. So, yeah. I don't know why he's messing with the vacuum. And I turned my back. I shouldn't have turned my back. But, let's go. First thing is cleaning the living room. Let's get that done. Cleaning with Moody Mom this morning. And Moody Boys, because as you can tell, Dwayne is not letting me do anything without him. AJ, what are you doing? AJ's coming out. AJ hasn't been feeling that well lately. Stop, Dwayne. Okay, well, I'll try this one. Stop, Dwayne. And on my back foot. So, we're vacuuming, so you need to see the floor. Stop, Dwayne. See? It's rough being a mom, having to clean every day. And Dwayne, stop it. No. Stop. Why it ain't working? Dwayne. The outlet ain't working. What did you do? Stop, Dwayne. Daniel, stop. It's been real bad. I guess it's September. Stop doing it. Now you sleep with me, man. Daniel, move for real. Stop playing with me. Dwayne, stop. See? What happened? Daniel, for real. Stop. And then I have to go around and vacuum the edges of everything. So I'll do that real quick and then I'll show you the after effect. He's right there again the whole time. So, moral of the story, it takes a long time to clean the house when you have children. I'm tired. It's been about 12 minutes. Dwayne, he's falling. Daniel's acting a fool. And I'm vacuumed, picked the stuff off the floor, but I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with the stuff on the couch. So, yeah, it's a lot of work. My makeup in here ain't done. It's real and uncut. Well, it might be a little cut once I get done with it. I'm tired. Look at them. The other kids are in their room. So, say subscribe. Say subscribe. Daniel, say subscribe. Yes, thumbs up, he said, and subscribe. So that means like it and subscribe. You have a great day. I hope you enjoyed cleaning with us. Bye.